Hey friends, we're talking about something so many high capacity, faith driven people experience but rarely admit: burnout. Not just being tired, not just needing a nap, but deep emotional, mental, and spiritual exhaustion. Burnout doesn't happen because you're weak, it happens because you've been strong for too long without rest. But recovery is possible. Denise was the dependable one, at work, at church, with friends, with family. She showed up for everyone, but she slowly stopped showing up for herself. She ignored the headaches, the irritability, the brain fog, and the constant fatigue. Until one day she sat in her car and couldn't move. She wasn't crying. She wasn't panicking. She was empty. Her tank wasn't low. It was drained. Burnout doesn't scream at first. It whispers. Then it shuts you down. Burnout is not a productivity issue. It's a boundary issue. It's what happens when your output consistently exceeds your input. God did not design you to run without rhythm. I've hit burnout before. There was a season where I said yes to everything: opportunities, requests, expectations. I thought saying yes meant I was being faithful. I thought rest meant I was being lazy. But what I didn't realize was that constant output without restoration disconnects you from joy. I became easily irritated, emotionally numb, unmotivated, and spiritually distant. And I remember thinking, what's wrong with me? Nothing was wrong with me. I was depleted. Burnout recovery required three things. First, permission to pause. Second, boundaries. Third, rebuilding slowly. Recovery isn't dramatic, it's gradual. It looked like turning off notifications, saying no without over explaining, scheduling actual rest, journaling honestly about resentment and exhaustion. That's why structured reflection has been so powerful for me. When you're burnt out, your thoughts are foggy. Writing things down helps you see what's draining you. If you need guided space to process that, the journals and planners at info.brittanydanny.com/legacy hyphen shop are designed specifically to help you reset your rhythm. Burnout recovery isn't quitting life, it's restoring your capacity. Matthew 11 and 28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Mark 6 and 31. Come with me by yourselves to a quiet place and get some rest. Even Jesus withdrew. Rest isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Picture a candle burnt all the way to the wick. It once filled the room with light, but now there's barely a flame left. Burnout is when the wax is gone. Note that recovery is letting the candle be replaced and relit. How to recover from burnout. Identify what's draining you. Reduce commitments temporarily. Prioritize sleep and nutrition. Create non negotiable rest time. Rebuild capacity slowly, not all at once. Burnout is healed by rhythm, not rush. Reflect on these. What commitments are draining me most? Where have I confused productivity with purpose? What would true rest look like for me? Friends, you are not a machine. You are human, you are spiritual, you are designed for rhythm. If you're exhausted, that's information, not failure. Rest, reset, rebuild. And don't feel guilty for healing. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you back in the reset room.